questions 6 and 8 are composition functions. So it's f composed with g and g composed with f. So these are also called fog and goff. So if you've ever heard those terms, then that's what this is talking about. Mathematically, this is going to be kind of similar to the previous questions in this section. So with f composed with g, or fog, you want to copy the f function, but I'm actually going to use open parentheses wherever I see x. And then inside those open parentheses, I'm going to plug in the g function. So x minus 1 and x minus 1. And that'll be our answer for that one. For g composed with f, this is the reverse. So I want to start by writing the g function, just with open parentheses instead of the variable. And then I'm going to plug in the f function. So this will be x squared plus x, and that'll be our answer. For number 8, we actually have the same function. So f is equal to 1 over x, and g is equal to 1 over x. So this is kind of interesting because it's going to be 1 over, and then inside of that, I'm going to plug in 1 over x. Now, I do want to simplify this one because it's kind of interesting. So whenever you divide by a fraction, it's really the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So this will be 1, instead of saying 1 divided by 1 over x, I'm going to say 1 times x over 1. So I'm multiplying by the reciprocal. And if you want to call that original 1 1 over 1, you can. And this will be equal to x. For g composed with f, or goff, this will be 1 over a blank space, and then I'm plugging in 1 over x, and this will actually be the same thing because it was the same function. So this will still be 1 over 1 times x over 1, which is also equal to x. So kind of an interesting case there.